gonna do on I've got a little 14 by 14 gallery wrap canvas. I wanna try to do some swiping, but leaving negative space. And I'm also using my Jessica Winterstrom spinner that I got from her at FAE the last time I was there helping Mina out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay out my paints in kind of a line, kind of like Sarah Taylor did. I'll put a link for her last video that she did it in. I really liked her composition, so I wanna see if I can give that a go. But I am not gonna use house paint as my base paint. I'm going to use Artist Loft Soft Body White. I keep getting a lot of cracking once the paint dries, and you see a lot of cracking where the white comes up through the colors. So I'm gonna do a little experiment here, see if I can try just using the soft body white. My other colors I'm gonna use though is going to be Prussian blue from Amsterdam. This is a combination of 24 karat gold and precious gold. Precious gold being from Pebeo and then 24K from DecoArt. This is a little bit of pearl white from Amsterdam. This one is burnt umber from Arteza. Payne's gray, Amsterdam. And a little burnt sienna from Amsterdam. Now these paints are mixed with Floetrol and Liquitex Gloss Medium. And then I'm gonna use white and black Cell Activator from Amsterdam, using 1 part paint, 3 parts Australian Floetrol. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I am going to pour out some white here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to just put out some lines. What I'm gonna do is put a little white down, or excuse me, a little black first, and then put some white down, and maybe even more black over top of it. This is that Cell Activator, black. White. black again. All right, I'm just gonna swipe through here, see what happens. A little bit more white down here to help this flow. All right, let's see what this does when I spin it out. Got a little board here I'm going to put up to help guard myself. All right, I'm going to give it a hard spin. Interesting. Let's go the other way. All right. I love it. Very simple. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here. I'm actually gonna do another painting because this was a lot of fun and I want to try something different. All right, same color palette, same base. I love the composition on the last one, but I'm not getting a lot of the cells that I would normally get. So I'm gonna do something a little different this time. I am going to go less curves, and I'm gonna put the Cell Activator on my palette knife, the way I normally do it. Start here in the center. Put the black on first. Swipe right through the back here. All right, I'm gonna try a little white in this center section. Give it a spin. Go the opposite way. All right, guys, so here is painting number 1. Very minimalistic. I love the design. Just really cool. And here's number 2. Again, really nice composition. All right, so we'll see these when these are dry. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here's number 1, the first canvas. Dried really beautiful. Love the lines. I love how everything just kind of spun out. Really cool. Bring you in here. All right, here we are with number 2. Again, love it so much. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. So this is piece number 1. This is so cool. I love the coloration in this. Love the negative space. Loving the directional change of the lines going this way and that way. Really, really cool. Dry fantastic. So I think I definitely will put resin on this, I'm thinking, because it's just beautiful. The second one, just as nice. Again, loving the colors, the direction of the lines, how they were spun out. I'm having a lot of fun with this technique, guys. It's so much fun. If you haven't tried it, do it. Again, since I'm not using house paint, I'm only using regular paint. I'm using Artist Loft white to do this as the base. So I'm not really getting a lot of that cracking that I would normally get with a house paint. So I'm really happy with this. It's really cool. So I'm gonna get both of those resin, and I think that's gonna really, really be bright. Now I want to try this same color palette on probably a larger canvas, maybe like a 15 by 30, and see if I can get that to come out with some directional change and spin it out and see what it goes. So very excited about this, can you tell? All right, everyone, I'll see you, what's today, Wednesday, so let's see you on Sunday. Everyone have a great day. Take care, bye-bye.